What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a special episode. I really wanted to make this separate, but it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now, this is a car that I purchased from the one and only Hewitt's Hot Wheels, and I cannot wait to open this, guys. It has literally been sitting here for over a week, and oh my gosh, I cannot thank him enough for putting in the time and effort to build this car. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. All right, guys, so the number one thing that Hewitt's is always cautious on is getting these cars to you in great condition, which I've never had issues, but of course he has shared on his channel some issues he's had with packages and the post office just destroying them. But oh my gosh, I cannot wait to open this one up. I could already see it on top, but we got some stickers right here, guys. We have another gasser courtesy of James. Look at that, man. Beautiful, beautiful custom. Gosh. We have that one and the bone shaker. Of course, I do have both of these from the last package he sent. But man, it is still good to have more. Oh, and check this out, my dude. Oh man, you didn't have to throw an extra, but of course, Tony Stewart. Oh, my dude. Check this out, man. Oh my gosh. One of 13,176 die-cast replicas. Here we go. Look at that, man. Now, this is a Revels Collectibles 2000 Home Depot Pontiac. Look at that, man. Opening hood and everything. Dude, James, man, thank you so much for throwing that in here. That's too funny because I literally just reorganized my collection and I just set my Tony Stewart's right here. Now, here's the same livery, but you can see these are the premium Goodyear tires on there versus these plastic mainline ones. So there we go, man. Plus, it does have the opening hood on it. Oh, and it goes with my giant Tony Stewart right here. So let's go ahead and put the cat car there and the Tony Stewart. Oh, dude, nice. All right, guys, here we go. This is the gem right here. Oh, the holy grail piece. Now, this car I have always wanted in the collection, and now we're about to have it as a custom, fully done by James himself. So let's go ahead and carefully open this up. Oh man, I am so excited. Oh man. Oh, that is nice. Look at that, dude. Oh, that is sweet. I never even thought about putting a rubber band. Most people, like myself, put pieces of tape, but genius. Genius, man. All right, let's clear up the background because this is definitely a car. Look at that beauty, man. The General Lee Dodge Charger. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful that is, man. Wow. The detail of this car, the wheels are super accurate. Look at that nice shift knob on the inside, roll cage. Got the tan interior, but look at this beauty, man. Got the push bar. Dude, that is nice. Looks like these screws hold it on. Ooh, look at that, fancy. There we go, some exhaust work. Hewitt's logo right there on the base. Wow. That is gorgeous, man. I have always wanted the General Lee. Now, the actual General Lee that was released is actually a lot of money, but I would take this over anything. Look at the gauges on the interior. Wow. But it does not cease to amaze me. Like, James's work is just phenomenal. Now, if you guys remember the Mustang he sent in, the 65 2+2, which is right there. Oh man, his work is just... Of course, these were all my other customs. There's another Hewitt's Hot Wheels collector right there, the Badman. One of my favorites that he's done. He's done so many beautiful ones. We got Manny's Custom Garage Corvette, the sunburst effect on it. Just some beauties right here. Hewitt's, thank you so much for putting in the time and effort on this General Lee. Man, too freaking cool. Now, I actually do have a small collection of customs that have been sent in. We have the General Lee GT500, we got the Boss 302, and the 32 Ford. So here we go. I remember playing the video game on PlayStation of Dukes of Hazzard. So James, thank you so much again. This is just beautiful, and I love how he just kept it simple and true to the show. You got a little license plate on there, CNH 320. Definitely a beautiful car, and just honored to have another piece from Hewitt's Hot Wheels in the collection. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Like I said, I wanted to make this video a standalone for James's work, and I just think it's just gorgeous, man. Gorgeous as heck. There we go. That is all we have for this episode, guys. Really wanted to make it dedicated to this unboxing and the custom General Lee. So that is all we have for this episode, guys. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.